Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. I want to give a shout out to this company and I want to talk about this. And the reason why is because it has been years, literally years, since I have this. And not only this, I have several of them, right? And this is one of the oldest one. You can see right there is so, let me get it on camera right there. It's all banged up. I dropped in. Pieces are coming out and all that. And this is a power bank, and this is one of the most important piece of equipment that you could have. I mean, I cannot even stress this enough. This thing is critical, really critical. I'm gonna tell you right now, you don't need a bazillion guns. You need one of this. And some of you guys are gonna say, "Well, yeah, Fabian, of course, you're gonna put links down below for Amazon and make money." Yes, I'm going to do that. But I'm going to tell you, this thing has been with me through hurricanes, through incense, to working at night, all night long, to so many states. Different. I mean, this thing is famous. I should get this thing around. This thing is it been with me all over the place, right? Before I talk a little bit more about it, and I show you a couple things, check it out. If you want to support the channel, obviously become a patron. My patrons, I love my patrons. They help me produce video like that. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to be putting a ton of videos, and we continue to put videos and share my videos. I appreciate when you guys share my videos. I mean, you guys are fantastic. So let's hit the intro and let's talk about this. Yeah, let's do it. So, all right. So this is Anchor, and I'm going to tell you, I want to share my screen right here very, very quick and kind of show you a couple things, right? And again, I want to show you this because I got this such a long time ago. And you see me, you guys gonna laugh at me, but let me play this real quick. Three different USB. So obviously you are able to charge three different devices at the same time. So a lot of times what happened is that I lay down in bed and I'll be watching TV and I'm charging my phone, just like I said, and my wife is also charging her phone at the same time. And again, we could still have our phones next to us if we have to answer comments or whatever. Maybe she's on Facebook or something like that. So again, allows you to charge three different devices, and the cool thing is that it has this thing called Power I. All right, that's enough, Jar 6. Thank you, Jar 6. We appreciate it. But you see this, December 28th of 2016. So it's coming up to 4 years. It's coming up to 4 years. And before I get into a little bit more out of this, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about December 28th, 2016 to this Jar 6? I like the beer. This one. I like this background a little bit better. But again, we like to say big thanks to Jar6 for doing that video. It being almost 4 years, and I'm going to tell you, that's one of the videos that I found, and this is the same piece of equipment here. This is a long-term review, and a long-term review is so critical because, again, it's nothing that I just got out of a box and I just started using, right? This thing has been with me for quite some time, and I want to show you a couple things here with Anchor, right? And again, Anchor is a great company, being around for quite some time. We used to work a lot together back in the days. I need to contact them and do more videos with them because, like I said, they do just a fantastic place. So let's click here on some of the power banks. And let me just show you a couple things right here. So again, let me exit this out. And as you can see, there is so many different ones, right? So many different power banks, so many different choices, so much technology that it comes into this. And you see some of the nice ones right here. I mean, 20,000, that's a lot, guys. That's a lot. And 45 bucks, obviously. And again, every single one has different ones, right? Look at this right here. 50 bucks. Again, there is so much technology that it comes into this power banks. And again, these things are a life saving. I mean, this thing high speed, long lasting. Obviously, I got one of the old looking ones. I mean, mine is not that fancy. This is how it kind of comes. I remember that for sure. And again, just fantastic. This company is putting out fantastic products, right? Let me come back here and put my face back into here. Again, fantastic products, fantastic products. I'm really enjoying it. The thing about this is that I know I'm kind of like beating the dog here and talking about it, but this thing is so amazing. You click here, I got 1 bar. Now, after almost 4 years, when I put it to charge, it's taking a long time. It's actually taking about, I don't know, about a day to charge or something like that. Before, it wasn't like that. So that's telling me that this right here is coming up almost to the end. Almost to the end. But the other day I charged it, and I have charged my phone for days by now. I mean, I like I said, I take it to work and all that stuff. So again, it's still kicking. It still has some life into it, and it's still going to work. But I'm saying is that you never know what's going to happen. And in hurricanes and things like that, this thing has literally saved my life. Because I'm going to tell you, when you have no communication, maybe saving my life. All right, Josh 6, maybe saving my life is a little bit too hard. But has had the potential to save my life. Because there has been so many times that I have spent 4 days, 5 days without electricity here in the house. And you know how nice it is to be able to charge your cell phone. Ben, charge your cell phone for 4 or 5 days with no worry. If you don't have this phone charged, this cell phone charged, and something happened, what's going to happen to you? You won't be able to call for help. You won't be able to call for anybody to come and assist you, right? You won't be able to call people to help you. This thing is so important. This cell phone, this way of communication is as important as a firearm. Because, again, you need to call for help. You know what? You find yourself in a firefight, in a home defense situation, and whatever, you made it out of there, you need to call somebody to come and help you, right? So, again, this thing is just critical, man. Having this cell phone and the line of communication open is just so critical. Think about this. The Marine Corps, right? What do they teach you? Shoot, move, and communicate. Communicate is one of the big ones, right? So, again, you got to have your phone charged. And when you have something like this that is going to allow you to charge your cell phone, this is so fantastic. 3 different ports. You could charge multiple different things at the same time. And again, this one's old. There's so much technology on the new ones is that it's just amazing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I mean, this thing has taken a beating and it still works. So I'm going to tell you, I'm going to encourage some of you guys to buy something like this. Because, and I said it in the past, because I'm going to tell you, you need to have that cell phone charged so you could call for help, right, if something happened. And this Anker products are just fantastic. 4 years coming up, and it's still doing it. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And as always, God is in control.